Since we're downsizing for Thanksgiving this year, we're also downsizing our Thanksgiving entree.
So today we're going to show you how to make a quick and easy Thanksgiving entree that you can make in 30 minutes. So we're going to share with you our air fryer Cornish hen recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the air fryer to 390 degrees. Pat the Cornish hen dry. Then inject the hen with your marinade of choice. We used this Creole-style butter. Then make your rub with your favorite seasonings. The ingredients for my rub are in the description below. Mix the herbs and seasonings together and rub it into the skin of the Cornish hen. Place a small bunch of rosemary and garlic inside of the hen. Tuck the wings in and tie the legs together to truss the bird. Place the Cornish hen into the air fryer basket and then air fry at 390 for 30 minutes or until the temperature of the thickest part is 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you guys so much for watching our Thanksgiving recipe series.
Have a safe and happy holiday.